All right, girls, freestyle, breathe, stroke, stroke, ready, go. Beautiful, very nice freestyles. Breathe, stroke, stroke, breathe, stroke, stroke, going back. Ready, go. All right. Peyton, your stroke was so beautiful. I want you to see if you could, when you get your breath, if you could look at the wall or the water instead of the ceiling, it will be the most beautiful stroke of all. Could you try that for me? All right, look at the water when you get your breath or this wall, not the ceiling. Ready, go. Breathe, good. That's it.